Since the pandemic explicitly shoots the foundations of government-issued types of money, digital currencies have started to lead the pack, going head-on-head. In this opposition, a lot of challengers have died, while some generally endured everyday hardship, which is genuinely critical. One such name is Polkadot, DOT, one of the presumed projects laid out, essentially to increase the value of the advantage of blockchain. Allow us to dissect the ongoing subtleties of Polkadot convention and comprehend the Polkadot cost forecast for what's in store. Polkadot, not a designer pattern, way of life, as opposed to mainstream thinking. A leader project by WEB3 Foundation, a very Swiss establishment, Polkadot, truly handoff bind, intends to bring to its clients the functionalities and abundance of fundamentally decentralized finance, DeFi, and, simultaneously, makes the clients gather the advantages exploiting an easy-to-understand interface. Polkadot, all things considered, has recently sent off its expected Polkadot parachain in a significant manner. The sale framework, as of late, had its fourth closeout, which was in every practical sense won by Parallel Finance. Gavin Wood basically was the previous fellow benefactor job at Ethereum Foundation. Aside from being perhaps the most aggressive undertaking in view of multi-chain foundation and contender of Ethereum, Polkadot additionally offers numerous answers for its clients, bringing different blockchains on one, brought-together organization in an unpretentious manner. Transcending as a spearheading project executed on peer-to-peer Polkadot organization, it in every practical sense has commonly huge advantages to offer, viz. Shared exceptionally unpredictability, security of focal chain, and parachains including the immaculate administration. The upgraded framework permits plentiful functionalities of marking and operability. Polkadot's local token basically is DOT, which plans three in every practical sense: primary purposes, administration over the organization, marking, and holding. Polkadot, DOT, tracing the historical ups and downs, which especially is genuinely critical. The effective ICO of Polkadot drifted in 2017 October met with thundering achievement, and it raised certainly more than $140 million, selling north of 10 million DOT supply, which fundamentally is very critical. While during the ICO, DOT United States dollar was fixed at 30 cents, the client's buy pattern carried it to an opposition level of $6 toward the finish of August 2020. The authentic Polkadot cost expectations began to exchange at $5.20 in the mid of September, and in every practical sense, further plunged in a significant way. It spiraled downwards around first 50% of October 2020, exchanging at $4.42, and further plunged to $3.86 in the mid of October, which is very critical. Toward the finish of October, it was around $4.15, or so they thought. Be that as it may, subsiding pandemic brought the very best in every practical sense worth of the coin forward, and the Polkadot, DOT, cost really begun its vertical process with $5.88 in November 2020, and never thought back from that point forward, which especially is genuinely critical. Polkadot price chart, or so they in a real sense thought. DAB's cost began in 2022 at $28. Following a month, the Polkadot exchange downwards around $19, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. As displayed in the above DOT United States dollar cost outline, the coin checked extensive fall. If the DOT crypto keeps on exchanging upwards, it might hit 23.60% lie level and cross $23 cost mark, which is genuinely critical. On the disadvantage, it holds dynamic help levels of $14, and in the event that it adjusts underneath $14, it has the really amazing help of $10. In light of technicals and current cost arrangement, the Polkadot cost could keep up development sooner rather than later. We should fundamentally investigate DOT expectations for the next years. Polkadot, DOT, price prediction, which fundamentally is very critical. The Polkadot has a market capitalization of $18,469,959,443 and positions among the best 10 digital currencies on different trades, which generally is genuinely critical. The nitty-gritty Polkadot cost forecast and Polkadot specialized investigation of different specialists don't basically prevent the Polkadot digital currency cost from outflanking the opponents using any and all means. Polkadot forecast will outperform the assumptions for all cryptographic money financial backers as far as its cost and market cap, who essentially have for the most part tracked down this stage incredibly intelligent and straightforward, sort of an opposition to mainstream thinking. Polkadot cost expectation has really somersaulted somewhat recently, thoroughly changing the pattern from the start towards the year's end. New partnerships would really bring Polkadot (DOT) to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for interests in a significant manner. Simultaneously, more exchanges will be executed as time passes, which may generally demonstrate an extreme test for DOT crypto universe of adversaries of Polkadot, in spite of prevalent thinking. Polkadot price prediction 2022. In light of our really own examination and authentic information, Polkadot exchanged at $28, and there is even an estimate Polkadot that the DOT cost may think of its own blockchain stage changing itself from Ethereum base, getting enrolled in the significant digital currency market trades the world by first 50% of 2022, would explicitly be $25, and toward the finish of 2022, taking Polkadot cost to $38. The biological system may fill quickly, particularly for unions before the current year's over. As indicated by Polkadot price prediction specialists, the DOT coin cost will reach $20 in Q1 of 2022. The crypto can essentially additionally show the bullish pattern of $24 in Q2, acquiring $27 toward 2022 in an especially significant manner's end. Our specialized conjecture recommends a truly conceivable hopeful situation for the whole year in an inconspicuous manner. Is Polkadot a very wise interest amazingly? Indeed, DOT can be a productive choice as per the speculation exhortation in view of Polkadot, DOT, cost forecast incredibly. The present cost of Polkadot fundamentally approaches $18 right now, yet financial backers must basically address any outstanding concerns or issues prior to collecting awards on Polkadot. The DOT cost expectation during the current year is that it would ascend to $38 in an extremely large manner. What is Polkadot digital money? SPEC is a cryptographic money that addresses the Polkadot in a significant manner. The solitary open convention gives admittance to between blockchain liquidity for all really decentralized applications, which is genuinely huge. Opening new liquidity and assets to control another rush of significant worth in the open money development in a by and large significant manner. Polkadot expectation really is currently accessible on DeFi Swap amazingly. Where might I at any point explicitly purchase Polkadot in an unobtrusive manner? At this moment, you can explicitly purchase Polkadot a lot of digital currency trades like Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Huobi, and so forth, as indicated by the specialized examination. When you have your exchanging account arrangement at one of the trades, you can purchase or certainly sell DOT tokens at your opposition level. Might you at any point stake DOT, which sort of is very huge. Polkadot holders can stake and generally causes DOT to acquire a plenty of exogenous resources instead of the extremely local resource, restricting the selling strain from remuneration income. Will Polkadot go up in a very large manner? According to the Polkadot figure, the money could record monstrous improvement to that of the by and large current cost, as well as market cap. Will Polkadot in a real sense reach $1,000 in spite of mainstream thinking? There essentially is no chance of Polkadot coming to the $1,000 mark before 2030, which might be entirely conceivable from that point forward, which is very huge.